Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable close to tray icon on the Bitwarden Desktop app. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the file on the top left corner in the Bitwarden app. Let's go to settings. Now here, let me close security and preferences. And here we will have the app settings. So right here we will have the close to tray icon. As you guys can see, whenever we're going to close the window, then it will show an icon in the system tray right here. So when we close the big window, it will show up as a system tray and it will run in background and it won't distract you on your taskbar. So that's basically the purpose of it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.